Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit product category in WooComerce. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to plugins, and now after that you have to install this plugin WooComerce all products for subscription. I have already installed it. So when you install it, it will be appeared on the left side. So simply now go to products, and after that just click on categories. Now here you can see I want to edit the shirt category, so simply select this one and now click on edit. So now here you can also change the name and description. So just simply you can also upload image, and after that click on update. And now we will again go to products, and now again go to categories. So now simply here you can see our product is finally successfully edited. So simply now if we click on view, so here you can see in this way you can easily edit product category in WooComerce.